Got something a little different today for our video. We've been talking about making a test garden here at the White's Electronics factory. We got the perfect spot for it. It's the kind of grassy lawn behind the break room where we eat our lunch. The only problem is that for the past 50 years or so, people have been coming out here pitching coins. If we're gonna make this into a test garden, we have to dig everything. I'm gonna give myself about an hour in the hopes that I can find enough clad to buy something from the vending machine because I forgot my lunch today and I'm pretty hungry. So we'll start the timer and we'll see what I can dig up. Alright, I'm running the MX Sport. I'm going to start just by digging the good signals. Eventually we'll have to go all metal mode and dig everything, but I'm kind of curious to see what's actually out here. One of the reasons we wanted to use this area for our test garden is the ground is actually 4-5 bars depending on where you are, so it's pretty gnarly for what you might find on the East Coast, but out here on the West Coast it's kind of what we got, which is strong mineralized ground. So this signal's all over the place. And it's junk. It's like a piece of a Budweiser can. Hey, I didn't chop this earthworm up, that's good. Alright, buddy. Now that might be our first coin. And I'm not gonna have to dig too deep for it. Alright. Hey, it's a Wheatie. 1957. And 1 cent closer to getting a candy bar. Ooh, let's see. That looks like a nickel. So 6 cents. Sorry, Mr. Worm. Oh man. It's like a hubcap or something. It's a rusty screw. Memorial penny. 7 cents. Not quite enough yet. That is solid. Another memorial. So 8 cents. And the shovel's actually working out pretty good. And it's another memorial penny. I'm not even gonna have enough for a stick of gum. It's another Lincoln. Literally working for pennies. Another Lincoln. I think I'm up to 12 cents. I gotta get away from there, man. There's just too many pennies. Oh, a dime would get me a lot closer. I can taste that candy bar now. Oh yeah. A dime. Get another signal. It's gonna be a nickel. I've gone from penny town to a dime and a nickel. And that is why I love this detector, because if it says it's a nickel, it's probably gonna be a nickel. I know it, you know it, everybody knows it. It's gonna be a penny. For the sake of the company, I can't pass it up. We have to clear this field out, and it is a minefield of pennies. Oh, it's a Lincoln. Okay. This is gonna be a dime. That's another penny. Cursed by the pennies. And it's a nickel, so better than a penny. Quick dig on this, because it's gonna be a penny. It's a penny. Quick time check. And I've got about 15 more minutes. I am right under this power line. It's pretty quiet. That is a tiny target. It was ringing up real low too. 0-2. Right in that gold earring kind of range. Now if I got that, I might be buying a couple snacks. Well, that's not gonna get me anything. Sometimes I'll get a broken tone like this and just pinpoint it. That is pretty big. Oh, that's a massive plug. Nice. Looks like a hinge or something. Something decorative. Alright guys, people are starting to leave, so my hour's about up. I'll dig one more target, tally the finds up, and see if I can get a snack. If it's a dime, it'll be close. I might actually have enough. Let's see. Oh, it's a dime. It's a dime. Okay. Alright. Thank you. Alright, let's tally them up. Junk wise, I got this hinge, I think, hubcap looking thing or cap. I got a nut. I got beer can, which drinking on the job is very bad. So for coins, I got a lot of pennies, man. 11 and 7/8, 17, 22, 27, 37, 47. Well, I hunted for an hour and I found 47 cents, mostly pennies. Best find was this 1957 wheatback penny, or wheatie, and kind of disappointed because I was 3 cents shy of getting 50 cents, which is the cheapest thing in the vending machine, so looks like I'm gonna go hungry today. But I cleared out a bunch of targets. We've still got a lot. I still haven't even started in all metal mode, and we're gonna get everybody at the factory out here with detectors in the next 2 months or so to clear every last target out of here so that we have the best test garden that we can have. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next week.